Hi guys, I'm Varun, and through today's recipe I want to give you guys an alternative to the street food or basically the fast food that we eat in the market. I'm talking about donuts. So generally donuts, we go out to a store and we get like a 6-pack or a 12-pack, not really caring about the amount of sugar or the calories or the additives that we are eating. So that's why I thought I'm gonna do a simple sugar glazed donut recipe for you guys, made fresh at home for you guys to try. It takes about 1 hour, but the results are fantastic. So if you want to get your children to have like healthy, fresh made fast food, you definitely have to try out this recipe. So let's check it out.